No. Our fufu is ready. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to prepare plantain fufu. So if you have not eaten plantain fufu before, watch this video till the end. So this is my plantain. I'm going to be using unripe plantain for this plantain fufu. So this is my unripe plantain. Here I have my water and spoon. I'll show you what I'll be using this for. This is my waterproof to use and wrap it. This is my pot. This is my turning stick, my manual grater. I have here my bowl and my knife. So let's get started. First, I'm going to wash my plantain. This is my plantain. I'll wash it. So guys, I'm washing my plantain. You can prepare plantain fufu with the plantain leaf, like the green back, or you can peel it anyhow you want to do your own. So today I'm going to peel my own. So after washing, I'll go ahead and peel my plantain. Okay, so guys, I'm done peeling my plantain. So this is my manual grater. I wash it. So now this is my manual grater and this is my plantain. I will go ahead and grate it. You can as well use your blender to blend it if you don't want to use manual grater. Okay, so guys, I'm done grating my plantain. Now I will transfer to my pot, and now I'll add water. And then I'll mix it. Okay, so guys, it's now time to turn our plantain fufu. So I'll put it on fire, and this is my turning stick. Then I will turn it. Welcome. So when you are preparing plantain fufu, you add water to get the consistency that you want. So guys, our plantain fufu is getting ready. Plantain fufu is very nutritious, especially for elderly people. It's very good. You keep adding water to get the consistency that is okay for you. Someone like me, I like my fufu soft. I like it very soft. So if you like it strong, you know how to do it. You know how to add water. Our fufu is almost ready. So I just add a little water. So now I will cover it and allow to stay for some minutes before I will put it down. Let's check our fufu. Wow. Our fufu is ready. It is ready. So I'll put it down. Okay, so guys, I'll be using this to wrap the fufu. So like this, I'll place it here, and then I'll cut my fufu and put it here to wrap it. Wow, guys, look at this. So our fufu is ready. Look at this. So guys, our plantain fufu is ready. So guys, our plantain fufu is ready. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. Mwah. So I'll be using this to eat with my okra soup.